Hey friends, if you wish to change the column width size of File Explorer on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So open File Explorer and let's say we have all of this arranged in the details view. So in the details view, you can easily change the size of the column like this, and you just need to drag and drop. But let's say that you've dragged and dropped enough and you want it back to the normal size. Right click on any of these options, name, date, type, size, length, the top options, and select size column to fit. Okay. This if it is so that specific column, and if you wish to go to the default size, then simply right click and select size all to fit. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.